To first understand this scent, you must know the main orchid used in Citrus 1. This main orchid releases a sweet citrus lychee scent. Some orchids possess therapeutic effects, and these oils can be used for relaxation during meditations or for calming effects to induce rest. Perfect for people who can't sleep due to insomnia or are feeling stressed. These therapeutic orchids are added into Citrus 1 to provide soothing effect to those who smell them. Do you know that these therapeutic orchids are also used as herbs in traditional Chinese medicine? They are known to help nourish the lungs and aid in improving our respiratory system. These orchids are known to contain anti-inflammatory properties in treating superficial wounds and bruises. A fragrance composition can be seen as a perfect blend of flavors. Like flavorings, scent enhancers are added into the fragrance to enhance a certain desired scent and provide a more wholesome finish to the fragrance, beautifying the fragrance by increasing its complexity. Mulberry is one such example. These seemingly small and tiny individuals are actually very rich in nutrients, especially in antioxidants and vitamin A and E. Mulberries are actually a great source of hydration to our skin. It provides rejuvenation and helps to smooth out signs of aging, providing elasticity and nourishment to obtain a supple skin. Other scent enhancers include persimmons. This sweet fruity note is known to help lift spirits and alleviate stress. If you are looking for a sweet fruity citrus oil, then this may be your perfect choice.